Students, today I am here with Social Study Lesson 3, Our Universe. We are human beings and we live on planet Earth. Earth is one of the smaller planets of the solar system. Our solar system has one sun and 8 planets. Our entire solar system lies in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy and numerous other galaxies form a part of the vast universe. The universe and its formation. The universe contains thousands of stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Many scientists believe that millions of years ago there was a big explosion or a bang known as the Big Bang. This explosion made the universe expand. The gases of the universe expand over a vast space and began cooling. Once they cooled, the gases and the small particles of the universe came together to form stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Galaxies and stars. A star is a ball of hot gases that burns all the time. It appears as a small bright light in the sky at night. An extremely large group or cluster of stars and planets is called a galaxy. There are many such galaxies of small and big stars in the universe. The Sun and our solar system. The Sun, with its family of 8 planets, their moons or satellites, and pieces of rock and dust, form our solar system. The Sun lies in the center of our solar system. Our solar system is also a part of Milky Way galaxy. The Sun is much larger than the Earth but looks small as it is very far away from us. The planets. The 8 planets are celestial bodies which move around the sun on the fixed paths known as orbits. All planets are of nearly the same shape but are of different sizes. Planets have no light or heat of their own. They shine because they reflect the light received from the sun. Movement of the planets. All planets have two kinds of movements. Each planet moves from or revolves around the sun. It is called revolution. Planet Earth takes a year or approximately 365 days to go around the sun once. Each planet spins around or rotates in its own like a top. It is called rotation. It takes 24 hours for planet Earth to complete one rotation. Satellites. Many planets of the solar system have small celestial bodies like satellites moving around them. The Earth had only one satellite, the Moon. The solar system consists of sun and all other objects that travels around sun. These objects include planets, asteroids, pieces of rocks, natural satellites, meteoroids, comets, dwarf planets, dust and gases. Sun. The sun is huge fiery ball made up of glowing gases. It is the largest member of the solar system. Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is also the planet closest to the sun. It is too hot to support any form of life. Venus is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the hottest planet as well as the third smallest planet in the solar system. Earth. It is the third planet from the sun and the fourth smallest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet known to support life. Mars. It is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. Neptune. It is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system. Thank you, students. Meet in the next class. Goodbye.